If your mom loves gardening, knows every plant by name, and can grow a world full of life with her own hands, then you know what makes her her. This Mother's Day, give her a gardening basket to keep her passion growing. First, let's open the PixCut S1 and print some cute emoji stickers, flowers, and little heartfelt messages. Second, pick your favorite Mother's Day designs from the Liene app. There's so much fun stuff to choose from. Look at these stickers slowly coming out of the printer. So satisfying and relaxing. And now, PixCut S1 cuts them perfectly. Every sticker comes out clean and precise. All our stickers are ready. It's time to start decorating. Next, we need to add some personality to your plants by sticking on cute emoji faces. It instantly makes them playful. And stick the plant name labels on little signs and pop them beside each plant. It looks so fun. Don't forget the tools. Stick flowers, leaves, or hearts on the watering can and trowel too. And done. Every little piece is super cute and full of charm. Finally, tie a little tag with a sweet note for Mom. Heartfelt messages go a long way. Let's start by laying some wood shavings at the bottom. It adds layers and texture. Then, sprinkle in pine cones and extra wood shavings to make it cozy and natural. And there we go, a super cute, personalized Mother's Day gift basket. We'd love to see you take this gift and give it to your mom in person and capture her real reaction in that moment. A big smile, a warm hug, or even tears of joy. Share your making process and your mom's reaction on social media with Stick What Makes Her Her and PixCut S1 for a chance to win a special Mother's Day surprise.